If you have an Airbnb in your neighborhood and you would like to report your concerns to Airbnb, they do have this neighborhood support page. I will leave the link to this page in the description below. Just open this on your computer and then you have two options. First one is to request a call, or you can just report your concern in writing. The first option, when you click on request a call, it opens up a new page where you can just mention your number, your country, and the language you would like to speak to them in, and you can expect a call from them. I've never tried this option, so I don't know how quick they are. But if you go to the second option, which is to report a concern, when you click on that button, you will get these two options. The first one is what kind of concern you have, whether it is a noise or a party, a neighborhood concern or personal safety or any other thing. And then if you have seen the property on Airbnb, you can provide them the link to the property. Or if you don't know where and how it is listed on Airbnb, you can simply provide them the address of the property. So let me choose this second option, address of the property, and click on next. This is where you can enter the address of the property and you can mention your concerns in this box. And if there is a date associated with that concern, you can highlight that date. And if you have anything else to mention to Airbnb, anything you mention in this box won't be shared with the host, and only Airbnb will be able to read what you write in this box. And lastly, you can mention your first name and your email address and just click on submit. What I've seen is within 2 days, they will get back to you, obviously depending on the option you choose in the previous page. If you choose personal safety, I've seen they do get back to you fairly quickly as compared to the other options. I really hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.